Hey everyone. Welcome back to MediaPipe and Electronics. In today's video, we're combining AI and robotics by controlling the Quarky robot using Python, a machine learning model built with TensorFlow and NumPy. Let's dive into how you can make your robot smart enough to move based on AI predictions. First, let's understand what we're building. We'll train a simple machine learning model using sample input data. This could represent sensor values, gesture readings, or button combinations. Then, using TensorFlow and NumPy, we'll train a classification model that decides which action Quarky should take, move forward, backward, left, or right. Finally, we'll use that prediction in Python code to control Quarky's motion in PictoBlocks. Let's open up our Python IDE and start coding. We begin by importing the necessary libraries. Import NumPy as NP. Import TensorFlow as TF. From TensorFlow, import Keras. Next, we create a simple dataset. For now, I'm simulating some input combinations. Now we'll build a basic neural network model. Once training is done, we save the model for future use. Now let's load the trained model and test it with a new input. This predicted value tells us what the robot should do. Now, it's time to use this prediction to control the Quarky robot using Python and PictoBlocks. Make sure Quarky is connected via Bluetooth or USB and PictoBlocks is in Python mode. Here's how you can control the robot based on the model's prediction. You can also loop this process with real-time inputs. For example, using a webcam and OpenCV or using sensors on Quarky to feed live data to the model, making your robot respond intelligently to its environment. And that's it. You've just controlled your Quarky robot using a machine learning model built with Python, TensorFlow, and NumPy. If you found this project exciting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MediaPipe and Electronics. Drop a comment below if you want to see voice control, emotion detection, or real-time object tracking in the next video. See you next time.